I have a fresh set of blind bags that came in the mail the other day. Let's open them up and see what I got. All right, here are the blind bags. Now let's go over the details first. So this auction was titled Dollhouse Miniature Accessories Blind Bags. And they cost me about $3 for the set of 10. I do have a blog post that contains screenshots of each step when I order these. I order them off of eBay. So they come out of China. This one was ordered October 27th, and it arrived November 22nd. It had an expected delivery no later than January 3rd. So that's those details. So let's push everything but one off to the side, and let's see what we got. So, okay, this one is a drinking glass. Interesting. I mean, it almost feels like that's what all of these are, but this is just supposed to be accessories. So we've had this style before, I think. It's a little honeycomb one. Let's get set up for the next one. All right, number 2. Okay, this one. Oh, now that's kind of cute. It's like an ice cream cone. It's like ice cream in a waffle cone, and that is quite well done, and it looks to be in scale. Oh, that's a cool one. I'm really excited about that. It needs a little shading, in my opinion, but it's a good basic. Let's see what else we got. All right, number 3. Okay, it's a bottle with a blue lid, no label, which is kind of cool. I like it when there's no label because I can label it however I want. So far, I'm really excited about this set. Let's see what else we got. All right, number 4. Oops, and a Coca-Cola bottle. We have quite a collection of Coca-Cola bottles, and I'm okay with that because they can go in so many mini scenes. You just kind of stick one over in the corner on the table or whatever, and it instantly looks lived in. Let's see what else we got. All right, this one feels like some kind of a box or a crate. It feels like it's got an open side, and it's kind of a rectangle shape. I'm curious. Oh, it's like a basket or a planter. Oh, that's neat. It's got like a leaf design. Oh, too bad we're already past fall because this repainted, this is going to make a wonderful decoration in the dollhouse. I can see putting flowers in this or leaves or some kind of an arrangement and putting it on top of the fireplace that we just made or on the dining room table. Very happy with this one, and it's just plain and smooth on the other edges. Let's see what's next. All right, this one is very flat and very flexible. I'm very, very, very curious. Maybe a magazine? Something like that. Okay, it's I believe a book or a magazine. It's just, or maybe it's a passport. Oh, it's a little passport. It's all in Chinese characters, I would assume. I don't know because these come out of China. I don't recognize the different sets of those, but it looks like it's designed to be a little passport. That's kind of cool. Let's see what's next. All right, this one is also flat, but it's got more dimension than that, and it's hard. Oh, it's another one of these corkscrews. I love these. They are as large as it looks. I've actually had corkscrews in real life that were proportionately this size. And these look so nice displayed next to some wine glasses and a bottle of wine. In fact, if you saw the pictures I took for, I believe it was the tablecloth a while back, where I put out a display on one of the pictures in the blog post, and I used one of these. I love these. Let's see what's next. All right, number 8. It's Looks like a bottle, maybe? This is an interesting set of pieces. Yes, it's another bottle. Another one with no label. It's a very pretty one. I like that. That'll be fun because we can make up our own label. Barely shows there. I will get a photo and then we can see what comes next. Okay, another kind of flat-ish one. I do love trying to figure out what they are from the outside. It's fun. Okay, this is a perfume bottle. We've had one of these in a previous one, but I love the shape of this. All right, let's see what's next. All right, I have a suspicion what this is. I think it's one of those dreaded pair of huge glasses that we get so often in these. They are so out of scale. They would make a good costume piece or a good sign. Yep, that's what it is. So out of 10 pieces, this is really the only clunker in it. So let me gather all of them together and let's get a look at what we got. All right, here is our haul out of our 10 bags that we got today. So my thoughts. First off, I find it phenomenal that we got no repeats within the 10. That has been a very long time since we have done a blind bag opening and not had multiples within the set. A few of these, the glasses, the corkscrew, the Coke bottle, and the perfume bottle, and I think this one, we've had before. But that's okay. Those are, except for the glasses, those are okay because these other 4 are things that can be used in a lot of different scenes, a lot of different places. It's okay to have multiples. The 2 bottles, I don't know if I've had those exact ones before, but bottles are great because you can label them with different kinds of labels and put them in different places like the cabinet, the refrigerator, and just they fill space in the dollhouse. The ice cream cone, I don't remember us ever getting one of those. It's really cute. It's really well done. It looks to be really well in scale. And I'm pretty sure it's a brand new piece. The passport, I don't really care about that one way or the other. It's really cool though. And this basket, I think, is probably the winner out of this batch. I am very, very happy with these. Be sure and hop over to the blog post so that you can see close-up photos of each item. There'll also be some photos, when possible, of Mrs. Doll interacting with the pieces so that you can see how they do actually look in scale. Thank you so much for watching today. If you haven't subscribed already, I encourage you to hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you know when I put up a new video. If you like the video, be sure and hit the like button. Share it with your friends so they can see it too and enjoy it. Leave me a comment. What kinds of things would you like to see in future videos? Thank you very much for watching today, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.